Simple summer home maintenance tips for curb appeal. Imagine walking up to your home and being greeted by a lush, green lawn, perfectly manicured and inviting. But here's where it gets controversial: is a perfectly manicured lawn really the key to making your home look its best? The answer lies in the details, and it all starts with simple summer tips for home maintenance and curb appeal. Whether you're trying to impress guests, attract buyers, or just enjoy your space a little more, small upgrades can go a long way. From lawn care to little details, these easy summer tips can boost your home's appearance and keep things running smoothly through the hottest months of the year. For instance, mowing your lawn to the right height can make all the difference. Setting your mower to cut about 3 inches off the ground may seem taller than you're used to, but it helps the grass hold moisture and keeps the soil shaded, which protects the roots. Taller grass also helps block out crabgrass and other weeds, which struggle to grow in shaded conditions. According to experts, longer grass stays greener in hot weather and is less likely to show brown patches during the peak of summer. So, skip the shortcuts and aim for a lush, thick lawn instead. But what about other aspects of your home's exterior? Making your house numbers pop is another simple yet effective way to boost your home's curb appeal. House numbers are one of the first things people notice when they pull up to your home, especially if they're visiting for the first time or making a delivery. If your current numbers are faded, small, or overly decorative, consider replacing them with large, easy-to-read numbers that match your home style. And don't forget about driveway reflectors. They're especially helpful for guests arriving after sunset or during foggy weather. Placing reflectors at the edge of your driveway helps visitors know where to turn and also gives drivers a heads up that a driveway is ahead. It's a simple step, but it adds both safety and visibility to your property. Fixing up your walkway is another great way to improve your home's curb appeal. If your front walkway is cracked, outdated, or looking tired, summer is the time to fix it. Interlocking pavers are a good choice for homeowners who want to take on a do-it-yourself project. They're easier to work with than poured concrete and offer a clean, updated look. While replacing a walkway is a bigger investment, it makes a major difference in curb appeal. A smooth, attractive path invites guests in and gives your home a more polished appearance. Refreshing your flower boxes is also a great way to add some color and life to your home's exterior. Window boxes and planters are a great way to add seasonal color to your home, but they need regular attention. As summer turns into fall, don't let your flower boxes look past their prime. After blooming ends on fall favorites like mums and autumn sage, cut the plants back neatly. To keep your planters looking full and fresh into the cooler months, tuck in a few evergreen branches. They'll hold up well against the weather and add texture and color that lasts. But here's the thing: a little effort really does go a long way. Summer is the perfect time to make small improvements that add up to a big boost in your home's appearance. Most of these upgrades are simple, affordable, and doable in a weekend. Whether it's trimming your lawn to the right height or swapping out your house numbers, every step helps your home look more welcoming, more polished, and more prepared for whatever the season brings. And if you're looking for more ways to improve your home's exterior, consider adding a low wall for structure and style. A low wall can help organize your outdoor space by separating garden beds, walkways, or patio areas. This kind of division gives your yard a neater, more planned-out appearance. It also helps make the most of sloped land, allowing for level planting zones and easier maintenance. If your wall faces south, it can even benefit your plants. During the day, the wall absorbs sunlight and holds that warmth into the evening. This can support plant growth, especially in early spring and late fall. Built with a solid base, a low wall is a long-term feature that adds character and charm to your yard. But what about the materials you use to build your low wall? There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to design. Low walls can be made from a range of materials to match your yard style. Concrete blocks offer a clean and classic look, while cut stone brings natural texture and a rustic feel. Brick delivers a refined, timeless appearance that works well in both formal and casual landscapes. Glass blocks are a modern, eye-catching choice for those who want something bold and unique. Each material has its own strengths in terms of durability, cost, and appearance, so think about the overall look of your yard and what fits best. A low wall doesn't just sit there, it shapes your yard, supports your garden, and gives your space structure. Whether you want to frame a flower bed, edge a patio, or add warmth to your plants, this small project can make a big difference. And this is the part most people miss: the power of positive reinforcement in home maintenance. By focusing on the small, positive changes you can make to your home's exterior, you can create a space that's not only beautiful but also functional and inviting. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give your home's exterior a little TLC? Do you have any favorite summer tips for home maintenance and curb appeal? Let us know in the comments. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for ways to make your home more comfortable and inviting, consider the power of artificial intelligence in budgeting. AI may not replace a financial advisor, but it's excellent at handling basic budgeting questions and number crunching. Several consumer-friendly AIs allow users to ask everyday financial questions in plain language. You can ask how to organize your budget categories, what's the best way to pay off high-interest debt, or how to plan for irregular expenses like home repairs. AI tools can also be helpful at tax time, walking you through line items and answering specific questions based on your budget and documents. Many budgeting tools already include AI features to help make the process easier and more intuitive. Some of the most popular platforms include Rocket Money, Inab, Monarch, and Empower. These tools can connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically pulling in transactions and organizing them into categories. That reduces the manual work of data entry and helps you see spending patterns clearly. The future of budgeting is looking bright, with AI tools that automate entire financial plans starting to emerge. You may soon be able to delegate most of your money management, letting a platform track your income, recommend savings goals, and alert you when spending is off track. Still, full automation has limits. You'll always need to make real-world decisions, like what to cut when unexpected expenses pop up. No tool can replace personal judgment, but AI can give you a strong head start. Budgeting doesn't have to be a guessing game. With AI tools and smart apps, you can take the guesswork out of managing your money, even if you're not a numbers person. Start with one question, and let the tools guide you from there. But here's the thing: budgeting is just one aspect of creating a comfortable and inviting home. Another important aspect is outdoor decor, like choosing the right outdoor rug for your deck or balcony. An outdoor rug can be the finishing touch that ties your space together. Whether you're outfitting a small balcony or a large backyard deck, the right rug adds comfort, color, and protection underfoot. But not all outdoor rugs are created equal. Here's what to look for to make sure your choice holds up and looks great through every season. Choose the right material, considering where you plan to place your rug. If you're covering a wooden deck, natural fibers like jute or core are a smart pick. These materials let the wood breathe and allow rainwater to evaporate, which helps prevent mold or mildew. For harder surfaces like concrete or fiberglass, synthetic materials such as rubber, polypropylene, or polyester are better suited. They resist water, dry quickly, and are built to handle daily wear from foot traffic, furniture, and weather. Many synthetic rugs also feel soft, making them a comfortable choice for barefoot lounging. Match the color to the space, considering sun exposure. If your rug will sit in full sun for most of the day, go for lighter, neutral colors. They're less likely to fade and help keep the surface cooler underfoot. If the space is shaded, don't be afraid to brighten things up. A bold or colorful rug can make a covered area more inviting. For high-traffic areas or spots exposed to rain, leaves, or dust, a darker rug will show less dirt and be easier to maintain. Consider the size and shape, measuring your space before you buy. Outdoor rugs come in a range of shapes and sizes, from small mats to area rugs large enough to fit a dining set. Make sure the rug is big enough to define the space, but not so large that it covers the entire surface. A good rule is to leave a border of exposed floor around the edges. Think about cleaning and storage, looking for a rug that's easy to shake out, hose off, or clean with a mild detergent. During colder months or long periods of rain, consider rolling up and storing your rug to extend its life. With the right rug, your outdoor area can feel just as cozy and styled as any room inside your home. Take your time choosing one that fits your setup, suits the weather, and reflects your taste. But what about the power of praise in creating a positive and supportive home environment? Every parent wants their child to. 5 key home renovation ideas for hot summer days: stay cool and upgrade indoors. Beat the heat: 5 indoor home renovation projects perfect for sweltering summer days. When the summer sun is blazing, the last thing you want to do is sweat through outdoor home renovations. But that doesn't mean you have to put your upgrade plans on hold. There are plenty of indoor projects that can enhance your space while keeping you cool. From simple hardware refreshes to more involved room remodels, here are 5 ideas to inspire your summer renovations. But first, a word of caution: some projects are better suited for cooler months due to safety concerns or material issues. Keep reading to find out which ones to avoid during the dog days of summer. 1. Garage renovations. Improve functionality and climate control. Your garage doesn't have to be a sweltering, disorganized mess. Summer is the perfect time to tackle garage renovations that can improve functionality and climate control. Simple upgrades like adding insulation, sealing cracks, or installing a ceiling fan can make a big difference. For a more elaborate project, consider built-in storage solutions or even converting part of your garage into a workout space or home office. 2. Cabinet hardware refresh, a small change with big impact. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to update your kitchen or bathroom without breaking a sweat, consider refreshing your cabinet hardware. Swapping out old knobs and pulls for new ones can completely change the look of your space. And the best part? It's a relatively inexpensive project that you can complete in just a few hours. 3. Pantry or closet remodel. Improve organization without major construction. Summer is the ideal time to tackle a pantry or closet remodel. These projects don't require major construction work, so you won't have to worry about excessive heat or dust. Plus, organizing your pantry or closet can make your daily life more efficient and enjoyable. Consider adding shelves, baskets, or even a custom storage system to maximize space and keep everything in its place. 4. Laundry room upgrade. Make a chore more enjoyable. Let's face it, doing laundry is never going to be fun. But upgrading your laundry room can make the chore a little more bearable. Summer is a great time to tackle projects like reflooring, painting, or adding storage to your laundry space. And if you really want to treat yourself, consider investing in a new washer and dryer set. 5. Attic insulation, a summer project that pays off year-round. If you're looking for a summer renovation project that will pay off in the long run, consider adding insulation to your attic. This project is best tackled during the summer months when temperatures in your attic are at their highest. By adding insulation, you can improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce cooling costs. Just be sure to hire a professional if you're not comfortable working in a hot, confined space. So there you have it, 5 indoor renovation projects that are perfect for summer. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people argue that summer is actually the worst time for home renovations, due to the heat and humidity. What do you think? Do you have any summer renovation plans, or do you prefer to wait for cooler weather? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more renovation inspiration, check out Realtor.com's news and insights for the latest trends and tips.